Welcome to My Health Daily, your daily source of research-backed health tips for adults and families. As we age, many people experience leg weakness, joint pain, or reduced mobility. But what if the answer lies in a few simple nutrients? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 vitamins that support leg strength and mobility, especially after age 40. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which helps maintain bone strength. A deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and leg cramps, especially in older adults. White heavy checkmark sources: sunlight, fortified milk, salmon, egg yolks. Microscope. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology, low vitamin D is linked with decreased muscle performance in older adults. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function and nerve signaling. Low magnesium levels can cause leg cramps, stiffness, and fatigue. White heavy checkmark sources: spinach, nuts, seeds, whole grains. Brain. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition notes that magnesium supports muscle recovery and reduces nighttime cramping. Calcium helps maintain strong bones and prevents fractures. After 40, our body starts losing bone density, making calcium even more important for leg support. White heavy checkmark sources: dairy, tofu, sardines, leafy greens. Bar chart. A study from the National Institutes of Health recommends 1,000 to 1,200 mg/day for adults over 40. Vitamin B12 supports nerve health and red blood cell production, both of which are essential for leg coordination and strength. Deficiency may cause numbness, tingling, or weakness in the legs. White heavy checkmark sources: meat, fish, dairy, B12 supplements. Microscope. Harvard Medical School highlights that older adults are at higher risk of B12 deficiency due to poor absorption. Vitamin E has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce leg pain due to poor circulation or oxidative stress. White heavy checkmark sources: nuts, seeds, avocados, spinach. Light bulb. According to Healthline, vitamin E may support blood flow and reduce muscle fatigue in aging adults. Supporting your leg health after 40 doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few targeted nutrients can make a big difference. Want more simple, safe health tips like this? Backhand index pointing right, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We post daily tips for families, adults, and seniors. And remember, always speak with your doctor before starting any supplements. This video is for educational purposes only.